In a busy bakery environment, safety is always a priority. Today, a medical emergency mock drill was conducted to test the staff's response in case of an actual workplace incident. During routine cleaning, a bakery worker accidentally stepped on a wet surface and suddenly fell. He clutched his leg in pain, stating that he was unable to stand or walk. Recognizing the seriousness of the situation, the food safety officer promptly reported the incident to the site manager. Quick action in such scenarios is crucial to ensuring the well-being of employees. The site manager arrived at the location and immediately called emergency services, requesting medical assistance and an ambulance to attend to the injured worker. Within moments, the emergency response team arrived with an ambulance, prepared with medical equipment and a stretcher. The team entered the bakery, ready to provide urgent medical care. The medical professionals carefully examined the injured worker, providing immediate first aid treatment to stabilize his condition. They assessed his mobility and ensured he was safe for transport. Once stabilized, the worker was gently placed onto a stretcher. The team secured him properly before transferring the stretcher onto a trolley. With precision and care, the team carefully transported him outside toward the waiting ambulance. Unaware that this was a drill, other bakery staff members were genuinely concerned, believing the emergency to be real. Their reactions showcased the authenticity of the exercise and the importance of emergency preparedness. As the worker was safely placed into the ambulance, the team gathered all staff members and announced that this was a planned medical emergency mock drill. The purpose of this drill was to evaluate the effectiveness of the staff's immediate response to workplace accidents. Following the drill, the medical team took the opportunity to educate staff members on proper first aid procedures, injury management, and the importance of a calm and coordinated response in real emergencies. This mock drill successfully reinforced the importance of workplace safety, emergency preparedness, and teamwork in handling unexpected incidents. By staying alert and trained, we ensure a safer working environment for everyone.
A mock drill is a simulated emergency situation designed to test and improve an organization's emergency response plan. Here's a breakdown of a comprehensive mock drill plan. 1. Pre-drill preparations. Define objectives, clearly outline the goals of the drill. Is it to test fire evacuation procedures, medical emergency response, or something else? Scenario selection. Choose a realistic emergency scenario that aligns with your objectives. Common scenarios include fire drills, active shooter drills, natural disaster drills, e.g., earthquake, tornado. Date and time. Schedule the drill at a time that minimizes disruption but allows for participation from most relevant personnel. Consider announcing it beforehand to avoid confusion, but avoid revealing the exact scenario to maintain realism. Personnel selection. Identify key personnel involved in the emergency response, such as floor wardens, evacuation coordinators, first aid responders, and communication team members. Assign them specific roles in the drill. Resources and equipment. Ensure necessary resources like fire extinguishers, first aid kits, and communication tools are readily available and functional. Notification plan. Determine how participants will be notified about the drill. This could be through alarms, pre-recorded announcements, or designated drill observers who initiate the scenario. 2. Drill execution. Initiate the scenario. Activate the chosen notification method to simulate the emergency. Observers can role-play specific aspects of the scenario, e.g., injured person in a medical emergency. Response actions. Participants should react as they would in a real emergency, following established procedures for evacuation, sheltering in place, providing first aid, or contacting emergency services. Evaluation and observation. Designated observers should monitor participant actions, communication flow, and overall effectiveness of the response. Take notes on areas that functioned well and areas needing improvement. 3. Post-drill activities. Debriefing. Conduct a post-drill meeting with all participants to discuss observations and gather feedback. Evaluation and analysis. Review observer notes and participant feedback to identify strengths and weaknesses in the emergency response plan. Action items. Develop a list of action items to address identified issues. This might involve revising procedures, conducting additional training, or acquiring new equipment. Documentation. Document the entire drill process, including the scenario, participation, observations, and action items. This record helps track progress and improve future drills.